Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reciting Suratul Ikhlaas. So let us begin. I'm going to go through the surah, and at the end I'm going to talk about the virtues of Surah Ikhlaas. So let us begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Let us go through that again. Remember, if I'm going to fast for you, you can change the speed settings on the video to decrease the speed. If I'm going to slow for you, you can also increase the speed. Let's say it again. So that is Suratul Ikhlaas. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid walam yulad walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid walam yulad walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Alhamdulillah, and well done on reciting Suratul Ikhlaas. So if you have gone through the surah 3 times with me, you have just attained the reward of reciting one entire Qur'an. Because the reward of reciting Suratul Ikhlaas once, one gets the reward of reciting 1/3 of the Qur'an. So because we have just recited Suratul Ikhlaas 3 times, we have now achieved the reward of reciting one full Qur'an. Alhamdulillah. So you can continue to just practice the surah by rewinding the video and pausing where you need to pause. And I will continue with short surahs like Suratul Ikhlaas in the next few videos, as well as some masnoon du'as, inshallah. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Love and salams.